Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you are basically supposed to do in the like other bat attack in Grow a Garden. So you will turn into a bat yourself actually, and you'll have to fly through these portals, and sometimes you get rewards, sometimes it's like a trick and it's like nothing, ha 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 ha. But sometimes it gives you a treat and gives you like rewards such as like crates, spooky eggs. You can get them here as well. It is a new weather after the glass animals. Well, it was during the glass animals collab with Grow a Garden. But yeah, it will, I think, happen outside of the admin event. So just keep an eye out. If you turn into a bat, you're just going to fly through the portals just in case you weren't at the event. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I think it also gives a leech mutation to your plants, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!